friends couldn't join me, so I'm alone at Mount Bromo. And these are the bowels of hell. I got scammed. Why do you scam people like that? It's weird. There are no signs to tell you where to go. The way up is not that easy. And it's a danger zone.
Have you ever seen something online and you're like, wow, I want to go there. Let's ask my friends if they want to go too. Your friends are super excited. They're like, hell yes, let's do this right now. So on the day of the trip, you're so happy, you're so excited. But you get a message on your phone and it says, sorry, can't make it. Oh, you're serious? No, right? Well, from what I've learned, life doesn't stop for anyone. So maybe going alone will be the best decision you'll ever make. So this is Mount Bromo, an active volcano in Indonesia, East Java, right over there. So to reach there, what you do, you take a flight from wherever you are straight to Bali. Have some fun in Bali, and I mean a lot of fun in Bali. Then you find your way to Malang city and then a jeep straight to Bromo. So Bromo is way more than just a crater. So let's start where you'll probably start, the sunrise. So the sunrise spot is usually quite crowded, but it's well worth it. Because
we are way higher than the clouds right now. The mobile tower just here.
So Mount Bromo is right in front of you and it's really amazing. So take some crazy selfies, take in the view, or dance like no one's watching.
This is what I came here for.
Or you can just take some crazy photos like these guys. I also tried. Oh, and do follow me on Instagram. So let's start with the crater. So on the way I asked, so how long till we reach the crater? And that guy says, no, we don't go crater. What? So you know when things go wrong on a trip, you usually have 3 phases.
Apparently I'm not going to Bromo because it's not part of the fucking tour.
So usually you take a jeep like this to the crater, but since the authorities decided to have a car-free month starting a day before my trip, I thought we would walk.
Fucking shitted scammers tell me they're gonna take me to the crater, then I come here and then they say I'm not gonna take you. Why do you scam people like this? Now they waste 2 hours of our time. I'm saying I'll pay half and they're like, no, you pay full. Why the fuck should I pay full? I'm going alone now. I'm not missing this crater. I'm not wasting my money. I just paid them 1/3 of the cost and I said fuck off. Now I'm alone here and that's the sign that says no motor vehicles for 1 month. Things happen, things like this happen when you're traveling. So yeah.
So I had some instant noodles for lunch and now all I wanted to do was show the finger to the scammer.
So I have no idea how to go back to Malang or Jogja. So let's see. Right now the target is the crater of the fucking volcano, Mount Bromo. Other than that, let's see. Short-term goals. Long-term is to reach Jogja in time and not miss my flight on the 29th.
The sea of sand is amazing. Green active volcanoes, black sand and clouds you can almost touch with your hands. Oh, and I also made some friends. We had a lot of fun together.
This place is the most beautiful place I've ever seen.
And if you're ever tired, you can just raise your hands and shout, I'm tired! And someone with a horse will come to save you for a cost of yours.
New friends part ways because they were too tired to continue. The horse guy said it's 4 kilometers more. Let's see, and he asked 150,000 per horse for up and back, and that's cheap, that's not expensive actually. But that's the safety way to do it. I'm not doing it on a horse, I'm doing it by myself. I'm doing it on my own.
So you know when you're alone in such a place, things start to go a little crazy.
What kind of an idiot does this alone? Omid, I do. Weren't there no motorcycles allowed? To cross the sea of sand, it just doesn't fucking end. I mean, it's weird. There are no signs to tell you where to go. Well, mostly because the whole volcano is right here. But come on, I just want an assurance that I'm not going the wrong way. Maybe this is not Mount Bromo, and that is. Because that is spewing out some steam. Then I can see the stairs over there too. Fuck off! I walk a lonely road, the only road that I have ever known. Okay, so Mount Bromo is in my sight. I can see the stairs leading away. Oh, might make it up there fast. The way up is not that easy. Oh shit, this tire, man. There's horse shit everywhere. It would be better if there was lava. Fucking horse shit. Do I look like that? This seems to be the place where lava flows from. Okay, the floor is lava. Made it to the stairs. Almost done.
Apa lu? Dipanjangin.
Fuck you, scary tour guide. Fuck off. The bowels of hell.
You can feel the heat of the crater over there. It's a surreal experience.
There's so much life on the wall. Okay, I can't go any further. It's too risky. There are no fucking guardrails here. I can go further, but it's not worth it. And there's fucking nobody around. The full volcano is fucking empty. I'm not risking it. It's not a good risk. But you know, there's a good thing about the transport ban and all. Because of the ban, there's no one else around. I like it. Okay, I'm not done. This place is cool. I wanna do one more shot. I'll take a video of me. This is what you have to do when you're alone. Yes. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay. Bye.
You from India?
So it was time to find my way back to the city from the unknown. The cool guy did help me a lot.
The clouds are here. Woo! Yeah, I'm so glad I made this decision to fuck everything else. Come here. Clouds on. I'm gonna touch them now. I can't wait. Run. So I'm finally done with the sea of sand. Now I have to just go all the way up there. And I'll be in Chimulawak, I hope. Almost there. Okay, so to put things in perspective, I came from behind that all the way down, then around, then to Mount Bromo over there, and then all the way back, and then up again. This has been a good hike. Fuck. see the exit.
So you know, since there were no tourists, there were no vehicles going back to the city. So I had to charter a whole van for myself. But it was a good experience. The van was really comfortable, kind of. And the view was amazing, obviously. And the guys were good too. Like these guys with the amazing hairstyle, they were nice. They helped me back to the station really nicely.
What a day, man. What a day. It was amazing. It was really adventurous, but dang, what a day. Google Translate, I've never used that much which I use today. And then the train tickets were not available online, but I was sure they would be available here, like physically on the location. I reached there, I got the tickets, I'm at the station now, I'm boarding in 5 minutes. The most adventurous day I've had till now. Fuck yeah, here's the train. Woohoo! Go Indonesia, and fuck you scammers.
So I hope you liked the video, and do like, share, comment and subscribe. It really helps with the algorithm. And do follow me on my Instagram if you want to. Stay tuned for more, and yeah, fuck the scammer.